Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Miss JD once again for another video this weekend, and this time around I am featuring Bitcoin because at the moment Bitcoin is hitting another all-time high and looks like this is unstoppable for this uh, cryptocurrency. Alright, before I get started, I'd like to invite everyone, if you like this type of content, you're welcome to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always updated whenever I have new videos. I do review stocks in the Philippine market, US market, and once in a while I do also review cryptocurrency. And actually, in this video, I just want to emphasize one thing here. I know this is not a fairly new update because this was published back on February 8th, and I also mentioned this in one of my videos because I just want to document this because someday if I want to backtrack and look back into some of the influencers of maybe Bitcoin, I can recall that this day, February 20, I published something about Bitcoin that may have influenced the movement. Okay, so this video just simply talks about Elon Musk investing in Bitcoin. And it's not a small amount, guys. It's $1.5 billion in Bitcoin. And you know how it is when big players are already invested in a stock or in an asset, so they do this quietly, and now when they are in a position, that's the time they share the news or hype it up even. Okay, so I'm thinking this is a similar setup that Elon Musk did here. So you know how Elon Musk is. If we have YouTube influencers, my personal take is he is an influencer in the world of business and finance, and very a genius in his field, definitely. Now, let me just quickly talk about this. So, Elon here has shared that he has invested 1.5 billion in Bitcoin, as you can see here, and is very bullish in the development of or the progress of Bitcoin. And at the moment, he also mentioned here that Tesla now owns 1.5 billion in Bitcoin, and he mentioned we expect to begin accepting Bitcoin as a form of payment for our products in the near future, and subject to applicable laws and initially on a limited basis, which we may or may not liquidate upon receipt. So my point here is that now that the big players like Elon Musk is already invested in Bitcoin, my take here is that Bitcoin is just going to skyrocket in price in the days to come or even years to come. So this is just the beginning. And if I am to go to CoinMarketCap, right? Bitcoin right now, its market cap is now in what? It's in the $1 trillion. Million. There. So I have to count it again. So this is 100,000. Oops. 600 million, billion, 1 trillion. Okay, and with this huge of a market cap, big players are going to really show interest here. And my take here is that, if there will be opportunities for minor retracements, I think that will be an opportunity for you guys to add more volume, because I don't really think that if it is going to dip at this point, I don't think it is going to go lower than, I'm thinking around the 47,000. That's the lowest it could drop at this point, if it is going to drop. because as you can see, it's still showing us a buy signal in tradingview.com. So while you see the RSI, okay, so this is how it, now talking about technicals, while the price is moving higher here, your RSI is declining. But mind you guys, when we say retracement, it could retrace, but sometimes the retracement is just worth two candlesticks, two red candlesticks, and it recovers. So conservatively, and this is on a conservative side, right? That's the most it could drop. But what if it will only drop up to the 51 level? Because I also see in the short term, see this two candlesticks stopping at the same area, so that could also mean that that is an area of retracement, right? So at this point, maybe another validation that we can use right here is what we call a Fibonacci retracement tool. If let's say we'll use this level over here and try to measure, let's say today, this is the farthest it could go. Yeah, we are right. See that? So this is where I plotted my first area of bounce, and then the nearest area of bounce where we are currently situated is at around 50,000 level. So this is at the 0.236 area, and this one is at the 0.382 level. So if it is going to drop, at least you have an idea where it could potentially bounce. Okay, so first area of possible bounce would be this and this. Now, at this point, I'd say on a short-term basis, it's on the a little on the expensive side. So, but if you are going to invest in Bitcoin, I suggest you have a mindset of really holding on to your position in the long term, because this is not where we are going to stop. Given that Elon Musk has already invested what, $1.5 billion, and he will be accepting Bitcoin in Tesla, that's a big thing. First, Elon himself and the brand that we have for Tesla is also on the rise, therefore the demand is also there, and it will support Bitcoin. That means the popularity of Bitcoin is also going to be influenced there. It's going to create a domino effect. And it's not just, for sure, it's not just Tesla who is going to do this. More companies, big names, are going to follow the footsteps of Elon Musk. So we'll be on the lookout. We'll closely monitor the news and see where it will go. So personally, I'm just waiting for some opportunities of, slight dip, whatever, even if it just dips up to this level, I'm going to add more volume. And if it drops up to the point or the 46,000 level, even better, because I don't think it is going to go down to these levels down below the MA20 line. I don't think it is even possible at this point. This currency or cryptocurrency is just going to rise. So I think that's it. We'll closely monitor Bitcoin in the coming days. So thank you guys for watching, and bye bye for now.